Hey guys, it's Maria. Welcome back to another DIY. Today I'm going to show you how to make these super cute pumpkin earrings. If you guys know me, I love making jewelry and I love polymer clay, so I tried something new that I've seen people do on TikTok and YouTube and stuff. I wanted to try myself, and they turned out pretty cute, and I am very proud of myself, so now I'm going to teach you how I made them. I hope that wasn't too complicated. This is definitely one of those trust the process crafts. You kind of have to picture what it's gonna look like in your head and hope for the best. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know. I will answer them in the comments. And if you make them, share with me on Instagram. I always like seeing all the projects that you guys make. And I hope everyone here has a wonderful day and a wonderful week, and I will see you next time. Bye.